Hello guys, back to my channel once again. I hope you guys. So in today's video I'm going to tell how I shave my face for instant clean skin, and I hope you guys like this video, and let's get started. Before starting shaving my face, I make sure there will be no makeup on. I just want to share one story with you guys that I have cut my hair, sides hair till upper part. You can see that that part I cut it till here. That is blunder mistake. You should not cut throughout that point, and it was like my mistake, but it's growing now. And so let's just get started. And for first time, you should not wear makeup at all. As I said before, you should not wear not a makeup. My face is totally clean, and I'm using here Miniso razor, face razor, and I start shaving my side hairs, and you can see I stretch my skin and then start shaving. Do not do without stretching your skin. First stretch your skin, then shave it, and shave to the opposite direction. If your hair are downward, you have to shave upward direction, opposite direction basically. See, I'm just stretching my skin and cleaning all the peach fuzz around my face, sides, and of course below my chin, on the chin area, upper chin, below chin, everywhere. And see the peach fuzz. And I will do now on the other side of my face, and see I stretch my skin and then start shaving it. So some people have myths that you will grow back a thicker hair after shaving. That's not at all right. I do not have thick hair after shaving. It's normal growth which I'm having. See, I also do upper lips, my upper lips with the razor. I'll never use the threads or something. Waxing is really hurtful for your skin, and do not wax your facial hair because it will stretch your skin and your skin getting loose, and you will get aging faster than usual. Shaving facial hair gives the hair a blunt tip. The tip might feel coarse or stubbly for a time as it grows. During this phase, hair might be more noticeable and perhaps appear darker or thicker, but it doesn't grow thicker. You just cutting your hair from the tip. That's it. See, I even do my eyebrows with this, and from the long ago I cut my hair very badly with the help of this razor, and after that I'll use precautions while I'm doing shaving on my face and making my eyebrows, and I do not visit any salon for my brows because I feel I can do much better than what I expect from other, because I want to do and I want to make that shape which I like it. See, my face is clear, clean, and no hair on my face. It looks so different and clean and smooth. Now I will use these scissors and I will just cut the long eyebrow hair from upper side and make it even. See, my eyebrows look exactly what I got from threading. Now I'm using Neutrogena Gentle Cleanser to clean and face. Always use the gentle product after shaving. Do not use any harsh exfoliator because it will give you irritation and leave marks on your skin. So do only apply gentle moisturizers and cleanser after shaving. I prefer to do shaving at the night time. See, my face is clean. Now I'm using the plum revitalizing green tea mist. See, it's from India, and I have more the bottle of it, and it's just going to end. I'll take a good 4 to 5 good spray of it. After applying this mist, my face feels so much refreshing, cool, and always do this step after shaving your face. See, now it's dry, and I will take the bamboo gel from the face shop. See, it's clear, it's like aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel as well. And I will applying a thicker sleeping mask. I always shave my face up at night time, and because I don't have to go under the sun to make my skin darker or give some harmful effects because my pores are open. So apply a good thick amount of either bamboo gel or aloe vera gel on your face, and then you just take a sleep. How it easy to shave your skin. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down what you want to see next. Bye, take care, see you next time.